Hey YouTube friends, welcome back to Paws4Orchids. My name is Luisa and I love orchids. If you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for your support. If you're new to my channel, I'm glad you've joined us. Well, spring has arrived and all the orchids have been moved back outside where they belong from being inside the lanai all winter. Let's take a look at some changes I made out in the grow space. And let me know what you think about these changes in the comments. Alright you guys, almost everything is out now to where they belong. However, this here, and I'll show you why I did it, I added a little extra shade. So what I want to know from my expert peeps out there, is this too much shade for my cats to the point that they may not bloom? Nope, there's Lucy, her favorite spot, in amongst the orchids. So is this too much shade? I'm not too worried about that side because they do get sun in the afternoon, but this side, I'm not so sure if they're getting enough light, especially my cats. To make sure that they will bloom for me. So I'm going to show you why I did it, because normally I haven't had that up there in the past. This is why I did it. That is why I did it. And I don't understand, because she used to live out here before the winter. But you see that? That is a serious burn. She's gonna be fine, but that has not happened to me in a very long time. Probably since I first started collecting. Normally, what happens to my cats when they get all this sun out here by the pool deck that, and that is different. That has that purple hue. That's a bag baby, by the way. That has that purple hue. I forget what it's called, but it's the normal reaction that they get to when they're getting an abundance of light. Anywho, see? Purple hue. That's what I'm used to. That's not burnt. And it might look like it on camera, but it's not. See the purple? That's just a natural reaction to an abundance of light. So my experts, I need your help. Please tell me if this is going to be way too much shade for my lovely cats. And there's my dog. Lucy! There she is. Leave a comment, let me know. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe so you know when I post something new. It helps the channel grow. In the meantime, let's grow together and don't be a stranger. Bye!